Hey, children's book lovers, welcome back to the channel. So we are all about raising confident and empathetic kids. And today we're diving into a super important topic, how to use books to teach empathy. Because let's face it, life is a lot better when we're able to understand one another, right? And in this world today, there is so much misunderstanding. So grab your favorite children's book and let's get started. So empathy isn't just about feeling sorry for somebody. That's sympathy. It's truly about understanding how others feel and why they feel that way, which requires a lot of thinking and listening and trying to put ourselves in other people's shoes. So it's really the key to building strong relationships and having an open heart. And guess what? Books are a superpower for teaching empathy. But how? Let's break it down. So tip 1, get into character. So when you're reading a book with children, ask them how they think the character feels. Is the character happy? Are they sad? Are they frustrated? Right? Really build that vocabulary and really understanding what the character is going through. This makes kids put themselves in the character's shoes. And oftentimes we really have to go back to like what is happening with the character and then think about if you were that character, how would you feel? For example, in a story like Abdul's story by Jamilah, Thompkins, Bigelow, we see Abdul, who loves to tell stories but struggles to get them on paper. And so we can ask children, how do you think Abdul feels when he notices the other kids laughing at him, or when he tries to write something down and he keeps making mistakes? Tip 2. Emphasize feelings, especially when a character is experiencing something difficult. For example, in Boys Don't Fry by Kimberly, Jen really wants to help his family cook for Lunar New Year. And his aunts keep telling him to leave the cooking to the women. So you can ask kids, ever wanted to do something and people just keep telling you that you're not big enough or strong enough to do it? Encourage them to explore what it might feel like to be in the character's shoes. This opens up emotional conversations that leads to understanding. Tip 3, ask open-ended questions. Instead of, did you like the book? Ask, why do you think this character made this decision? Or how would you feel if you were in this situation? Or what would you do if you were in this situation? Open-ended questions help kids think deeply and develop a sense of understanding through self-reflection. It's kind of like an emotional exercise, but with books. Tip 4, reflect on real empathy. After reading the book, connect it to something that has happened in the child's life. Did they see someone else being kind? Maybe they helped a friend who was sad. This helps bring the lesson from the pages to their real life. And you'll be amazed how much small lessons have such a big impact. So there you have it, 4 practical tips for using books to teach empathy. Now I want to hear from you. What's your child's favorite book about kindness or empathy? Drop it in the comments. So don't forget to hit that subscribe or like button for more book recommendations that raise confident and empathetic kids. And until next time.